Welcome to the Ampere App Xiaomi 12 Pro, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere App on this device. So first we should go into the Play Store, and here in the search we'll enter the Ampere. And now we have to get this application, so click here to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading, and after that installing on your device. Now just open the app here, click yes I agree, pick close, and here on the left down corner tap to OK. And now we can see the information about the temperature of our device battery, and in my case that's 35 and 9 degrees. So now it's 36. And here also we can see the level, the information about the level of our device, the battery health, capacity, voltage, and more other info like the model, Android version, and more information. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.